Let's welcome dito sa Gimme Mo, Jo Marie Aliana. Jo Marie!
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Sir.
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 Senyor.
Senyor, alright.
Ito pala yung Gimme Mo na
yes.
nakakaba naman to.
Hindi naman, kaya mo naman to. I've seen your recent interviews. Matindi, Jo Marie. The way you're very eloquent, passionate, and you speak well. So tingnan natin kung kaya natin to, okay?
Lalo akong kinabahan.
Yeah, mas lalo ka kinabahan. Dapat lang. Jo Marie, first question. Here we go. Nakita natin sa VTR, no, Joms, a very popular interview mo sa Cool Center nung Mr. Nivera. You kept on saying that. You know, nakaroon kayo ng public na sagutan ni Martin dyan. He made some comments about you and syempre about your breakup with Pops, kaya medyo, yun nga, nagalit ka. But how is it things going right now? I mean, are you at a point na nakausap mo na si Martin? Are you interested in patching things up with him?
Siyempre, unang-una, siguro tayo, siyempre, tao lang tayo. We make mistakes in life, no? Dumadaan yan, nagiging pagsubok yan sa buhay natin. Siguro, sa akin, ang importante is, sa bawat stage na pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, is you learn from it.
Yeah.
And forever, whatever mistake you've made in the past, matuto ka, and for you to become a better person.
Okay.
And, pag nalagpasan mo yun, that's when you realize you've moved on.
Yeah.
And you've learned a lot, and you try to be the best person you can be.
That's right.
So, yung sa akin, it's been said and done kung ano man yung pinagdaanan namin in the past. And it's the past. Tapos na siya eh. So,
right,
kung
but
ano
say,
man yung, kung
nakita
ano man
mo
yung,
si Martin. Say,
yeah.
nakita mo si Martin tomorrow. What would the situation be between you and him?
Alam mo, it's something na you cannot predict. And it's something you cannot plan. And there's, there's only one way to find out.
Yun nga, was to see him.
If it
Pero,
really happened.
is there, can you say right now at this point, medyo galit ka pa rin sa kanya? Or would there be a point you think na matitrigger yung galit mo pag nakita mo siya?
Hindi. Yung sa akin, tapos na yun eh.
Okay.
Kumbaga, pareho naman. We both said our piece.
Sige. So and, you are interested in
yung sa akin, ayoko rin yung nagdadala ako ng negative na feeling sa katawan ko, diba? And I hope he feels the same way.
Yeah, spoken like a gentleman. So I'm assuming also then that would mean you're willing to patch things up if given the opportunity.
Oo naman.
Yeah.
Tao lang tayo.
Yeah, tama. Very good. You know, speaking of, nabanggit mo mistakes. People make mistakes. I think I made a mistake. Mali yung graphics na pinakita ko sa'yo. So, next question na lang, Jo Marie. Here we go. Eto. Let's ask a question na binanggit ni Anjo sa VTR, no? Sabi niya, before you and Pops broke up, was there ever a time you were seriously considering marrying her?
Yung marriage part, it's something really big, you know?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, you know, me coming from
pinagdaanan mo yun. Diba?
Dati rin akong may asawa, di ba? But yung marriage part is medyo hindi ganun kalinaw. But nung kami ni Pops, I really thought na she'll be the last. And parang yung sa akin, pakiramdam ko talaga na parang last stop ko na siya. But unfortunately, it didn't work out. So
would you, looking back at yung relationship niyo ni Pops, could you consider yourself a very good boyfriend? I don't know what happened. I don't think anybody does. It's something that you guys have kept private. But when you look back at it, tinitignan mo yung relationship, I did what I could do and I was a good boyfriend.
If I would look back, no? Siyempre, nagkakaedad na rin tayo, but I can honestly say na with Pops, I was at my best.
You're at your best. Very good. Okay, Jo Marie, next question. Again, binanggit natin you were married before. Siyempre, we all know with si Aiko Melendez at alam din natin because we're in showbiz that it did not end well, this marriage, no? But now that you're single, do you still see yourself having the ability to be married again? And kung yes, kung sinasabi mo, kaya ko naman ipakasal ulit, what are the things you have to change? Kailangan baguhin sa buhay ni Jo Marie para lang maging successful na naman yung next marriage mo?
Ako, yung marriage, number one, ang hirap tingnan eh, di ba? Number one, single ka.
Yeah, that's true.
But, syempre, marami kang... I'm not so sure if it's about changing yourself, but finding the right match or the right partner for you. Na I still believe, of course, na there's one person there na pinakababagay sa akin. And siguro pag pinagdasal mo lang yun, darating din yun siguro.
It's a waiting game now, right? Okay, but so currently, are you dating anyone? So many things going on in your life right now, Jo Marie. So many great successes for you. Is love a success right now? Are you dating somebody?
Hindi eh.
Hindi?
I'm not dating. Puro trabaho, puro work. But I don't know. Maybe sooner or later, di ba? I'll come out and date again. Maybe. Hopefully. Of course.
Pero yung nakikita natin naman, the inspiration that you have right now is really putting on a great show for the Filipinos, no? Yung David Cook, David Archuleta concert nyo was such a success. Ang dami natuwa. Ako doon, dami kong listeners sa radio show, all really supported your endeavor with the Archuleta and Cook. So, what is up next now for Jo Marie in terms of these concerts?
Thank you. And syempre, Mo, thank you.
Yeah.
So I'll take this opportunity to thank you for all the support you've
you're welcome.
given us with yung past concert namin in David's. And dun sa lahat ng sumuporta, maraming salamat din po. Yes, we're very busy with bringing in acts, bringing in talents, big ones, big artists, yung pasikat pa lang ng mga artists dito.
Tama.
And malaki, maliit, yan yung gusto namin gawin. And we plan on doing this on a regular basis.
Tama.
We plan on bringing in acts siguro mga 3 to 4 times in a year. So, medyo nakakapagod, but it's very fulfilling.
So, who's next?
Marie Digby.
Wow, Marie Digby,
Marie Digby.
the biggest YouTube musical star, di ba, on the internet. One of the internet's biggest stars.
Oh,
Finally coming here, no?
Grabe to, YouTube sensation to.
Tama,
Phenom
tama.
nga ang tawag dito eh. So, we're bringing her in sa ano na po to, August 1, Saturday.
NBC 10.
NBC 10. So, yun po, sa lahat ng gusto makapanood ng iba naman.
Yeah.
This one's medyo, it's very intimate. It's not that big of a venue.
Yeah.
Pero it's gonna be a really great show.
Up and close talaga.
Kasi iba to talaga eh. Ako nga nag-iisip ako nung sino yung pwede niyang parang contemporary na lalaki dito. Wala akong maisip.
Yeah, right.
Pop, rock na acoustic
Na maganda.
na maganda.
Okay, so Marie Digby, you can get your tickets at Ticketnet. I'm
Ticketnet. Tickets are available at all Ticketnet outlets.
Sige, congratulations ulit sa another endeavor.
Yes,
And maraming
salamat
salamat, Jo Marie, for being here on Give Me Mo. Babalik ang Showbiz Central.